Standard time. See if you can find out the standard time at two opposite longitudes with this activity. A world map is given on page number 76. Cut it along the dotted lines. Paste the cut map on a hard cardboard. Now make a cylinder out of this shape. While making a cylinder, make sure the 180-degree longitude at the left and the right side are super on each other. Keep in mind that the longitudinal interval is 15 degree each in this map. On the same page, a strip showing hours is also given. On this strip, 24 hours have been shown with 1 hour marking. The 0 and 24-hour marking shows midnight while the 12 hours marking shows noon. Cut this strip too and make a cylinder out of it. Make sure that 0 to 24-hour making are superposed on each other. To do the above mentioned activity, understand the steps along with the pictures given longitudes. When you match the marking of any time with any longitude on the map, you will know the time at the other longitude. With this moving strip and the cylinder, you can play the game of local times. Use your brain power. Tick the time in the boxes which you can tell without using clock. Sunrise, sunset, noon, midnight. Standard time. Can you tell? Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude. Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Find the difference between the longitudes of these two cities. The difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata would be 88 minus 73 equal to 15 means 15 degree. If the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what would be the local time at Kolkata? The local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude, and we know that the difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata, which is 15 degree. Therefore, time difference equal to 15 into 4 means 60 minutes. 60 minutes divided by 60 minutes means 1 hour. Therefore, if it is 3 p.m. at Mumbai, then it would be 4 p.m. at Kolkata. Geographical explanation. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but on different places. Their local times differ by an hour. If there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business. Therefore, generally the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for that country. This standard time is used all over the world with respect to the business. There should be compatibility between the standard times and various times. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. These time zones have been created with reference to the prime meridian itself. Normally, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered for the. But if the longitudinal extent is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such countries, more than one standard time zones are considered. Give it a try. Look for the map of world time zones from reference books and see in which time zone India falls into. Find out. With the help of an atlas, find out the which countries need more than one standard time. Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time IST has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, in Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time at 82 degree 30 minutes and other places in the country. Can you tell? Look at the figure and answer the following questions. Considering the longitudinal extent of India, first question. How many longitudes with the difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map? 29 longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map. By how many minutes do 2 consecutives? Answer, minutes. 4 minutes. What is the value of degree of longitude at Mirzapur? 82 degree 30 minutes. If it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minutes, so what would be the time in their clocks at the following places? Madurai, Jammu, Jaisalmer. If it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minutes east, it would be the 8 am in their clocks at Jammu and Madurai. Jaisalmer, Guwahati, as the time at 82 degree 30 minutes is considered as standard time of India. Fifth number question, throw the why does not standard time differ in the places? In India, the time at 82 degree 30 minutes east is considered as standard time of India, and therefore the same time will be considered everywhere in India. Universal Standard Time. For an international coordination between the local time at Greenwich Mean Time in England is considered to be the international standard time. The difference in standard time of various countries is calculated. The Indian standard time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. If it is 5 pm at Greenwich, then in India would be 10:30 pm. Give it a try. If it is 8 am in India, what is the time in Greenwich? It would be 2:30 am in Greenwich. Second number, when it is 2 pm in India, in which countries would be 2 pm too? In Sri Lanka. Third number, when it is 9 am in India, what would be the time at 82 degree and 30 minutes west longitude? Answer, it would be the 10 pm of the previous day and 82 degree 30 minutes west longitude. Fourth number question, what would be the time at prime meridian when a new day starts at 180 degree longitude? It would be noon time, means 12 o'clock. Do you know? National Institute of Standard and Technology, NIST, an institute in the United States of America, has the most accurate clocks in the world. Clocks have to be adjusted by 1 second, added, subtract once in 20 million years. In India, the National Physical Laboratory of India, NPL, New Delhi, gives service of accurate time keeping. The clocks used here are accurate up to 1 lakh part of a second, as accurate time is required for space research, artificial satellite launching, etc. These clocks are used in these activities. Jantar Mantar Astronomical Observatories. Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II was a great astronomer, mathematician and architect. He built 5 astronomical observatories called Jantar Mantar at Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur, Delhi and Mathura. The one at Mathura does not exist today, but one can visit the other 4. Even today, one can know the exact time up to second through shadow. Jantar Mantar do not only house sundials, but they are complete astronomical observatories. One can observe the sky from here too, with the help of instruments at Jantar Mantar. It is still possible to see astronomical observations. After the advent of modern, now these instruments are more of a cultural image. Think about it. First question, in which of the following countries does only one standard time exist? Mexico, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, China. In that